Hello everyone. In previous video, we have completed NCERT book, chapter 2. In this video, I will explain exercise 2.4 from ML Agrawal. Till 2.3, we have completed in previous video. Exercise 2.4. Now first question, 3/4. Find the reciprocal of each of the following. First question is 3/7 means reciprocal of 3/7 equal to 7/3. Reciprocal of 3/7 equal to 7/3. Clear? Second question, evaluate 14 divided by 5/6. Evaluate 14 divided by 5/6 means when you will find it 14 2 reciprocal of 5/6 multiply divide change in multiply you can write 5/6 you can write 6/5. Then 14 6 84/5. Clear? If you want to change 84/5 in mixed fraction, you can change 5 1 5, 5 6 16 whole 4/5. 16 5 80 plus 4 84/5. In first question, reciprocal is asking. Reciprocal means 3/7 is given, so reciprocal of 3/7 equal to 7/3. 14 divided by 5/6 means 14 2 reciprocal of 5/6. Clear? So change divide change in multiply and 5/6 reciprocal 6/5. After that 14 6 84, 84/5 is the answer. 84/5 you want to change in mixed fraction. 16 whole 4/5. Clear? Question number 3 4 5 you can do like question number 1 2. Question number 6 is change, that I will explain. Question number 6. The cost of 5 whole 1/4 kilogram apple is 336. What is the rate of apple per kilogram? Clear? There seems cost of 5 whole 1/4 kilogram apple equal to 336. Cost of 5 whole 1/4 kilogram apples equal to 336 rupees. Therefore, cost of 1 kilogram apple equal to 336 divided by 5 whole 1/4. Clear? Means 336 multiply divide by 5 4 20 plus 1 21/4. Divide change in multiply means do reciprocal 336 into 4/20. Clear? 3 7 21, 3 1 3, 3 1 3, 3 2 6. Clear? 7 1 7, 7 6 40. Means 16 into 4. 64 rupees. Clear? Cost of 5 whole 1/4 kilogram apples is given 336 rupees. Cost of 1 kilogram apple equal to 336 divided by 5 whole 1 by 4. Clear? 336 divided by 21 by 4. 336 divides, change in multiply. 4 by 21, 3 7 ja 21, 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 7, 1 ja 7, 7 6 ja 42. 16 into 4 means 16 4 ja 64. Note it. And question number 7 is length of rectangular plot is given, area is given, width is asking. Note down this. In question number 6, first of all, I will tell you formula. When area of rectangle is asking, you can write here into B, area of rectangle is length into breadth. But if area is given, length is given and breadth is asking, then what you will do? I am telling you. Breadth equal to area of rectangle upon length. Breadth, if length is asking, the area of rectangle upon breadth. If breadth is asking, area of rectangle divided by length. Length is asking, area of rectangle divided by breadth. Clear? Area of rectangle equal to L into B. If length is asking, you will do this. Breadth is asking, you will do this. Clear? Note down this formula. In question number 7, area of rectangular plot is given, length is given, width is asking. Clear? Note down this. Question number 7, area of rectangular plot equal to 68 whole 3 by 4 meter square. Length equal to 12 whole 1 by 2 meter. 12 whole 1 by 2 means 25 by 2 meter. And 68 whole 3 by 4 means 68 whole 272 plus 3 275. 275 meters. Clear? Asking breadth. Clear? So I told you formula. If area of rectangle is given and length is given, breadth is asking, you will write breadth equal to area rectangle upon length. 275 upon 4 upon 25. 275 by 4 upon 25. Second number multiply by third number. First number multiply by last number. Clear? Means 275 into 2 by 4 into 25. 2 to the 4. Clear? 25 1 ja 25, 25 1 ja 25. Clear? Means 11 by 2 means 5 whole 1 by 2 meter. Means breadth equal to 5 whole 1 by 2. Very simple. Breadth equal to area rectangle upon length. Put the value area rectangle upon length. After that, first multiply last, second multiply third. Clear? 275 into 2 upon 4 into 25. 2 2 is 4, 25 1 is 25, 25 1 is 25. Means when you will divide 25 by 275, so you will get 11. 11 by 2 means 5 whole 1 by 2. Clear? It is the value of breadth. Clear? Question number 8 and 9 you can do. Cost of 5 whole 1 by 2 kilogram of sugar is given. Find the cost of 8 whole 1 by 4 kilogram of sugar. First you will find the value of 1 kilogram of sugar. Whatever is coming, that multiply 8 whole 1 by 4. Clear? 2.4 exercise is complete. See exercise 2.5. Note down this. Exercise 2.5. In exercise 2.5, maximum question given in NCERT book. Same digit also. Those who are same digit, that you will not do in ML Agrawal. But if digit is changed, concept is same. That question you will do in. Clear? Question number 1 to 13. Same question. Question number 14 is different, that I will explain you. And all the question are same, like that question I told you in NCERT. Based on that question, you can do this question. Question number 14. First question. What number added to 3.56 gives 13.016? Clear? If this type question is given, what number should be added, what number should be subtracted, that type question is given, you will rewrite first of all, let the number be, yes, let the number be, yes, clear? Added means x plus 3.56 gives means equal to. In mathematics, each gives get means equal to. Clear? 13.016. What number should be added in 3.56 gives 13.016? What number should be added? X should be added. Let the number be x. Clear? X plus 3.56 equal to 13.016. Then x equal to 13.016 minus 3.56. Clear? After the two subtraction, 13.016, 3.56. 6 minus 0, 6. 11 minus 6, 5. 9 minus 5, 4. 12 minus 3, means 9.45. That's all. 6 minus 0, 6. 11 minus 6, 5. 9 minus 5, 4. 12 minus 3, 9. Note down this. Next question. Secondly, what number should be subtracted from same process, but there is subtracted, you will do minus. Question number 13 means 14 third part. This question little bit different. What is the excess of 20.4 over 9.7403? Let the number be x. Let the number be x means x plus 9.7403 equal to 20.4. Clear? Means x equal to 20.4 minus 9.7403. Clear? Then x equal to 20.4 9.7403. Here is 0, 0, 0, you can write. 10 minus 3, 7. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 4, 5. Here is 13. 13 minus 7, 6. Then here is how much? 19 minus 9. 10.659. That is the answer. This exercise is also complete. Note down this, then I will explain next exercise. 2.6. First question, find the following. In first question, multiply is given. Means like question number 2.6 and 2.7 I told you in NCERT, that type question. Question number 2 is also divide. Question number 3, multiply each of the following number by 10, 100 and 1000. Means in each part you will do multiply. First you will do multiply. Third one given 5.9. In 5.9 first you will do multiply by 10. You will get different answer. Again 5.9 do multiply by 100. After that do multiply by 1000. Means 3 digit is given 10, 100 and 1000. From that number you will do multiply by. In 5.9 second is given 3.76, third is 0.5. You will do only multiply. And in question number 4, divide. Same question, same number, and there you will do divide by 10, divide by 100 and divide by 1000. Clear? In question number 5, find the area of rectangle whose length is given. Means 5 I told you. Length is 5.7 centimeter. Breadth is 3.5 centimeter. And the area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is area of rectangle equal to L into B, 5.7 centimeter, 3.5 centimeter. Do multiply means 5.7 5 7 and 35, 5 5 and 25, 3 7 and 21, 3 5 and 15, 2 7, 5 9, 19.95 centimeter square. 19.95 centimeter square. Area of rectangle equal to L into B. Put the value to multiply. This type question I told you NCERT, but I was thinking when I will tell again, you will learn maximum time. 6 number question, cost of 1 meter length cloth is given, cost of 3.6 meter. Here you will do multiply. Question number 7, there is two-wheeler cover a distance. Here also you will do multiply. 7, 8, 9. Do multiply. Means question number 6, question number 7, question number 8, question number 9. Do multiply. In question number 10, 11, 12, division, divide you will do. Question number 13, little bit change, that I will explain. Clear? When you will read first NCERT, after that when you will do ML Agrawal, there is ML Agrawal question you can do very easily because it is the basis of NCERT. Thirteen number question. If 2 by 3 of a number is 10, then what is 1.75 time of that number? Clear? 2 by 3 of a number. So that number we don't know. Let the number be x. In mathematics, whatever you don't know, that take x. Let the number be x. Let the number be p. Let the whatever you want. Means let the number be, let the number be x. 2 by 3 half a number. 2 by 3 half a number is 10. 2 by 3 half a number is 10. Half a number, that number you have taken x. 2 by 3 half means multiply by x, which means equal to 10. Means this question change in equation form first. 2 by 3 half means multiply. A number means that number you have taken x. X is means equal to 10. Then x equal to 10 into 3 by 2. 2 5 ja 10. X equal to 15. X equal to 15 means from 15 when you will do multiply by 2 by 3 you will get 10. I can prove it. 2 by 3 into 15. 3 5 ja 15. 5 2 ja 10. You get 10. Clear? After that asking what is 1.75 times of that number, means if in 15 you are doing multiply by 1.75, how much you will get? Means 15 into 1.75 to multiply 1.75 into 50. 5 5 is 25. Clear? 5 7 is 35. 2 37. Clear? 5 1 is 5 3. 1 5 is 5, 1 7 is 7, 1 7. 26.25. It is that. This exercise is also complete. Note down this. Now we will see 2.7 exercise. It is a last exercise. Simplify is given. Clear? Before starting the simplify, I will tell you one rule. Board mass rule. Board mass. Board mass means B means bracket. O means half. D means division. M means multiply. A means addition. S means subtraction. Clear? Means if any simplification is given, first of all you will solve bracket. After that, if half is given, find the half. After that, division you will do. After that, multiply. After that, addition. After that, subtraction. Clear? Like this, when you will do, you will get correct answer. If you will not follow this rule, you are seen in the question. First given divide, multiply, addition. You are doing first subtraction, addition, division. You will get incorrect answer. Clear? So please you follow the rule of board mass. Means it is a bracket. Half means multiply, division sign, multiply, addition. Clear? It is the sign. Bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, bar bracket, big bracket. Clear? Means big bracket, curly bracket, bar bracket. Clear? It is a bar bracket. This rule also note down before starting the exercise 2.7. Clear? After that, I will explain first question. Note down this. Question number 1. Simplify the following. 3 by 5 of 1 whole 1 by 9 plus 3 whole 1 by 2. Clear? 3 by 5 of 1 whole 1 by 9 plus 3 whole 1 by 2. Clear? BODMAS rule I tell you. Clear? 3 by 5 half means multiply. 1 whole 1 by 9 it is given in mixed fraction, change in improper fraction. 9 1 ja 9 plus 1 10. 10 by 9 plus 2 3 ja 6 1 7 by 2. Clear? See here, multiply sign is given. So when you are knowing now 3 by 5 half means multiply, means first you will find this. You don't do 10 by 9 plus 7 by 2. If you will do add this, your answer will come incorrect. First of all, you solve this and this. You don't see this and this. 3 10 ja 30, 5 9 ja 45 plus 7 by 2. See, this fraction you can reduce. 5 6 ja 30, 5 9 ja 35, 2 3 ja 3 2 ja 6, 3 3 ja 9. Means 2 by 3 plus 7 by 2. It is a fraction. Means LCM of denominator is 6. 3 2 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 3 7 ja 21. After that 25 by 6. You can change in mixed fraction. 6 4 ja 24. 4 whole 1 by 6. What is the answer? First half you will find. Clear? Then you will do plus. Note down this. Second question. Second one, 1 by 4 of 2 whole 2 by 7 divided by 3 by 5. Clear? 1 by 4 of 2 whole 2 by 7 divided by 3 by 5. 1 by 4 half means multiply. 7 to the 42, 16 by 7 divided by 3 by 5. You will solve the bracket. 4 4 the 16 means 4 by 7 divide, change in multiply. 5 by 3. Clear? 5 4 the 20, 7 3 the 21, 20 by 21. Note down this. Question number third. 3 question is given in each question. One part I am explaining. Rest 2 part you can do. Clear? 4 whole 1 by 2 minus 2 whole 2 by 3 divide by 7 by 12 plus 5 whole 1 by 2 or 3 whole 5 by 2. Clear? This is question. See, BODMAS rule I told you. Think about that. First solve bracket, then half, then division, then addition. Clear? 4 to the 8 1 9, 9 by 2 minus 2 3 is 6 2, 8 by 3 divide by 7 by 2 plus 5 to the 10 1, 11 by 2 into 6 to the 8 5, 23 by 6. Clear? Whatever given in mixed fraction, change in improper fraction. Clear? 2 4 the 8 1 9 by 2, 3 2 जा 6 to 8 by 3 divided by 7 by 12 plus 2 5 जा 10 1 11 by 2 into 6 3 जा 18 by 23 by 6. Clear? After that take LCM. LCM of 2 and 3 is 6. 2 3 जा 6 3 9 जा 27 3 2 जा 6 2 8 जा 16. Okay? 7 by 12 plus 11 into 23 2 into 6 11 3 जा 33 11 2 जा 22 plus 3 25 and 2 6 जा 12. Clear? 27 minus 16 11 by 6 7 minus 6 1 2 minus 1 1 divide change in multiply do reciprocal which 12 plus 253 by you can reduce 6 2 ja 12. Clear? 11 2 ja 22 by 7 plus 253 by 22 by 7 plus 253 by 12. Take LCM of 7 and 12. 7 and 12 LCM 2 6 ja 2 3 ja and 7 2 2 ja 4 3 ja 12 7 ja 84 is the LCM. 7 divided by 84 12 into 22 264 plus 12 7 ja 84 7 into 253 1771 plus 415 6 7 13 2 7 9 110 112 2035 by 80. Clear? Again I am telling you this question is given. First of all solve the bracket 2 4 ja 8 1 9 by 2 3 2 ja 6 2 8 by 3 divide 7 by 12 2 5 ja 10 1 11 by 2 half means multiply 6 3 ja 18 by 23 by 6. LCM of 2 3 6 2 3 ja 6 3 9 ja 27 3 2 ja 6 2 8 ja 16 divide by 7 by 2 11 into 23 11 3 ja 33 11 2 ja 22 3 25 253 by 12 27 minus 16 11 by 6 divide change in multiply 12 by 7 plus 253 by 2 6 2 ja 12 11 2 ja 22 22 by 7 plus 253 by 12. LCM of 7 and 12 when you will get 84. Clear? Denominator divided by denominator, whatever answer will come you will do multiply in numerator. 7 divided by 84 you will get 12 12 multiplied by 22 you will get 264. 12 divided by 84 you will get 7 7 multiplied by 253 you will get 1770. After that 264 plus 1771 equal to 2035 by 84. If you want to change this number in mixed fraction you can change, but if you will write this also, that is also correct. Note down. Question number 4 is also simplified. Question number 5, it is also simplified but little bit change that I explain to you. 2 whole 1 by 2 plus 1 by 5 by 2 whole 1 by 2 plus divide by 1 by 5. See, 2 whole 1 by 2 plus 1 by 5. 2 whole 1 by 2 divide 1 by 5. Divide sign, if you will think it is plus sign, so you can do wrong. Clear? Means first of all mixed fraction change in improper fraction. 2 2 ja 4 1 5 by 2 plus 1 by 5. 2 2 जा 4 1, 5 by 2 divided by, clear? LCM of 2 5 10, 2 5 जा 10, 5 5 जा 25, 5 2 जा 10, 2 1 जा 4, 5 by 2 into 5 by 1, divide, change in multiply, reciprocal. After that 27 by 10 upon 25 by 2, clear? 5 25 plus 2 27 upon 10, 5 5 ja 25, 2 1 ja 2. Then first number multiply by last number, second multiply by third number, clear? Means 27 into 2 by 10 into 25, clear? 2 5 ja 10, 2 5 ja 10. After that you cannot do reduce any number, means 27 by 120, okay? Mixed fraction is given, change in improper fraction, clear? It is given in divide sign, first improper change, mixing change improper. After that take LCM of denominator. Here you will take LCM of denominator because here is plus sign. Here you will not take LCM because here is divide sign is given. Divide change in multiply. 2 5 LCM 10, 2 5 ja 10, 5 5 ja 25, 5 2 ja 10, 2 1 ja 2. Here is 5 by 2, divide change in multiply, means 5 by 1. 25 plus 2, 27 by 10, 5 5 ja 25, 2 1 ja 2, clear? Then 27 into 2 upon 10 into 25. Then can reduce it, you will get 27 by 125. This exercise is also complete, clear? Okay, thank you students.